This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fully apply the handbrake. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange. Then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the front subframe rear mounting. Fully unscrew the wheel nuts and remove the wheel. Set the heater controls to the maximum temperature position. Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Open the bonnet slightly, then lift the safety catch lever and fully open the bonnet. Unscrew the filler cap from the coolant expansion tank. The engine undertray is secured by various bolts around its circumference. Undo the bolts and withdraw the undertray from beneath the vehicle. Position a suitable container under the left-hand end of the radiator. Attach a length of hose over the outlet on the drain tap. Then rotate the tap 90 degrees anti-clockwise and allow the coolant to drain into the container. Position the container under the right-hand rear corner of the engine. Unclip the wiring harness from the rear of the timing cover and using an Allen key or bit, slacken and remove the cylinder block drain plug. When the coolant has finished draining, rotate the radiator drain tap clockwise 90 degrees and remove the hose from the tap outlet. Refit the cylinder block drain plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Clip the wiring harness to the timing cover. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Maneuver the undertray into place, hooking its rear edge over the subframe. Refit the retaining bolts around the circumference of the undertray and tighten them securely. Apply a little anti-seize grease to the hub collar. Locate the wheel over the hub studs, then refit and lightly tighten the wheel nuts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel nuts to the specified torque. Prepare a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water, approximately 8.5 litres in volume. Add the coolant to the expansion tank until the level reaches the max mark on the side of the tank. Refit the expansion tank cap, start the engine and hold it at 2000 rpm until warm air begins to be expelled from the heater ducts. Stop the engine and allow it to cool. Check the level and if necessary add more coolant. Restart the engine and allow it to idle for 2 minutes whilst monitoring the temperature gauge. If the engine starts to overheat, turn it off and allow it to cool. Raise the engine speed to 3000 rpm until the cooling fan operates, then stop the engine and allow it to cool. Check the level and if necessary add more coolant. Close the bonnet firmly and check it's secure.